Here, lasers actually have evolved over the years very well, and so many years ago when I started my OBGYN training about 25 years ago, we used to have one laser machine in a 4,000 bedded hospital which was locked behind the doors. We couldn't even touch it. And today I'm very proud to say we have about 5 lasers in our office, and we do all kinds of body contouring, skin rejuvenation, rosacea treatments, and so on and so forth with the laser treatments. So lasers have now become much more accessible, and they are, because of the lot of competition, they are not as expensive as they used to be, and they have become very precise because you know how lasers work, right? So the lasers are actually an amazing treatment. Lasers, by the way of their wavelength, they actually are targeted against the tissue, and as soon as the laser hits the tissue injury regenerates, and the regenerated tissue is healthier, and that's why we use lasers. So and there are so many types of lasers. Important things about laser is it's easily accessible anymore, and they are less expensive. Important also about laser is that there are so many types and wavelengths, and as many different types of blood work we have, blood group I mean, we have different blood groups in all us. So we do have skin types. So there are some types of the skin types are Fitzpatrick skin types, starting from skin type 1, 2, 3, and 4. They range from Caucasian skin type to East Asian, Asian, Hispanic, and African American skin types. So the good thing about lasers is lasers have to be actually matched with individual's skin type. So what you could not do is to pick up a laser that is suitable for skin type 1 and 2 and use it on skin types 3 and 4. So and that is very important. And here at Verve we have different types of skin lasers that can actually match anywhere from skin type 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it becomes very important again with lasers that for example we have something called Picosure laser. Now the Picosure is a laser that works by picosecond technology, and it's very safe to be used in skin types 3 and 4. So we use this Picosure for removing brown spots and pigments from Asian skin types. Picosure is actually single most laser that is popular in Asia, and we have Picosure. We love the machine. It's our top performing machine. We love because it does skin tightening, it removes brown pigments. It's just an amazing machine. It also actually removes tattoos. And on that note, again back to laser technology and wavelengths, we have Picosure machine with different wavelengths in it with the hand pieces that actually targets not only black ink from tattoo removal, but we can actually also do red inks and pink and greens, and we can effectively remove tattoos with that. So the Picosure technology, let me talk about that, and that is basically works by vibration. It's a picosecond. It breaks the ink as soon as it hits the skin. It shatters the skin. It shatters the pigment, and then the blood supply actually sort of absorbs it. So we have 755 and the other one 1032, which is the frequency that is needed for different tattoo removals. And tattoo removal or lightening the tattoo has come really advanced anymore, because we can do it in less sessions, and we can do it we actually can do it with less pain and discomfort, because we use Numbing Cream, which is a prescription numbing cream. It has 20% betacaine, which is only available in doctors' offices, and which we are able to provide to our patients. We also use other methods of cooling, like our cooling machine or ice packs and gel rollers. So we have several ways of reducing tattoos, discomfort during tattoo removal. During the laser, few other things about lasers. Now, because laser has come so far that we can actually treat acne scars, I would like to talk about acne scars. Acne scars form every time there is a flare-up of acne skin on the skin. So we would like to talk to all you preteens and teens who are developing or early phases of acne flare-ups. Every single time you have an acne flare-up, your skin is forming adhesions. It's tethering it down. And over the time, it's going to make deeper scars, broader scars. And those scars are difficult to manage or difficult to treat. So we would like to treat these acne scars along with all your creams and lotions and skincare treatment with the Picosure laser, because early we start the treatment, the better regeneration of the skin we can do, resurfacing can be done and reduce the scars. So we would prefer to see you soon on those Picosure, on those acne treatments, for those acne flare-ups and acne treatments. So more about lasers. Another very popular use of laser is in treatment of surgical scars and stretch marks. So I want to say about surgical scars is that surgical scars, again, most of the studies have shown that if you start your treatment for laser within 6 weeks of the scar, then that's the best treatment, and it really almost becomes invisible by 3 or 4 treatments. With 3 or 4 treatments. But if there are also some studies that are actually done on surgical scars when even your initial 1 week, within 1 week, you can actually start the laser treatment. Why the laser treatment works for surgical scars? Because we know by scientific reasons that a scar takes 6 weeks to form, and every week there is a different physiology that happens. The fibroblasts come and then they gradually strengthen the scar. So with lasers, we can actually make those fibroblasts, actually regenerate in a healthy way, so the scar doesn't get hypertrophied, it becomes much more plain. And so if you have a scar on your face from your surgery, on your arms, your belly, your legs, we can treat them. We have the machine called Icon, which is amazing for surgical scars. Next, for all you ladies who have been pregnant or given birth and have stretch marks, and also all of you who have lost weight, we want to treat your stretch marks. Again, a piece of caution on that one is that stretch marks have to be about 3 millimeters or less in the width, so that we can actually effectively treat you. So again, if you are developing stretch marks, then we would like to see you soon, so we can treat you. It takes 3 to 5 treatments with our Icon machine. It's a 15-40 hand piece. We numb that area and then we gradually treat it. But it will be up to 80 to 90% actually not visible. So we love to treat your surgical stretch marks, and so that's another popular treatment we have. Something else, the IPL, which is very popular treatment, much available, but we feel like we have the best machine and we do it very well, because IPL is, we have a machine called Icon from Cynosure, which is the best machine in ways of that it has a cooling technology which actually cools the temperature of the face, at the same time treats it very effectively. And IPL means integrated photolight system, which treats your brown spots, rosacea, veins on your face, and sun damage. So that's another very popular treatment, and we feel like we do the best treatment in town because we have had very good results with our IPL. And about lasers, we do use laser technology for body contouring. You may have heard that one a lot. It's called Sculpture. It's 25 minutes procedure done in the office. Takes away 24% of your superficial body fat. Of course, it's for body contouring purposes, and it takes 2 treatments to the same area, and no non-invasive, no needles, no minimum pain, and 0 downtime.